Hey guys, welcome to Quick Tutorials. In today's video I want to show you how you can change your command prompt color, even the background if you wish, but let's just focus on changing the color. So on your PC, on your computer, you go to command prompt, right click, and then head down to properties. You can see in properties you find colors. In these colors, you see I don't like what I have here, so I will want to change it. This is the screen background. It's black, but if I want to make it green, yeah, but I prefer it to be black. Then text color, select screen text to make green. This is our most favorite color, which look like hacking, stuff. If you know how to use command prompt, then you will really love this color. If you wish to use other colors, you are fine with it. Or if you want to be a danger man, you can use this, or sky man. Anyway, well, green, yeah. Also pop tests, you can also use any of the color, like let me say I'm a sky man. Okay, pop background, still black, it's okay for me. I'm okay. I apply and okay, I'm done. So let me open my command prompt to see the result. Alright, usually it's always white, so for you to understand what I'm saying, let's do it again. I head back to properties, colors, then screen test, right, I apply, then go to command prompt. You can see, but I don't like this color. This is the default color. I don't like it. No, mommy, I don't like tea. I want Fanta. Alright. Always remember to switch to screen test if you wish. Don't just come around and change the background and think, oh man, how can I change the text? So it's always like default on background, screen background. Alright guys, so let's go.